Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the second aha be do have from the 1 Minute Millionaire. All right, so the second aha be do have: to fly as fast as thought, to be anywhere there is, you must first begin by knowing that you have already arrived. That's from the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. If you haven't read that book, you should definitely check it out. It's a really good book. So we're going to talk about the second aha moment here, and this one is be do have. It says here, properly adding $1 million to your net worth is a primary objective of this book. Yet to reach this objective, the enlightened millionaire way, you must follow 3 steps in a specific order, and they are be, do, have. Now, of course, to become an enlightened millionaire, you must do what you love, add enormous value, and leverage it. More on this later. Now, while these doing steps are critical, they are not the first priority. Being comes first. You must first be an enlightened millionaire. The enlightened millionaire knows and acts from the space that 1, abundance comes from making others better off, and 2, the primary reason to get is to have more to give. So for the enlightened millionaire, it's all about giving. It is really about getting. Giving springs from the wellspring of the abundance that exists. Enlightened millionaires give because that is who they are. It's the highest manifestation of their true nature. It comes from their being. You must be an enlightened millionaire before you do anything. From that be space, you do what needs to be done to add as much value to this world as possible. As a result, your enlightened beingness, your behavior or doingness will be appropriate in each situation. Granted, it is possible to make millions of dollars by doing and undoing. However, you won't experience the peace, gratitude, and sense of wealth that come from the added value approach of the enlightened millionaire. You will also miss the joy of tapping into the ocean of abundance, one of the greatest of earthly pleasures. When both the being and doing are correct, you will have your desired outcome. You will have riches beyond your wildest dreams. So going back to being, right? Being a millionaire. So being a millionaire, you may not even be literally a millionaire with millions of dollars in the bank, but are you being a millionaire? Are you acting as if you are a millionaire? So as that manifestation we talked about before, thinking, being, you are literally in your head a millionaire already. In your head, you are living in a mansion. In your head, you're driving a Lamborghini. In your head, you have a fishing boat. In your head, you have a ski boat. These things you already know you're going to have. Now, it also goes to right here, we talked about the enlightened millionaire knows and acts from a space that abundance comes from making others better off. So I was just speaking of having all these physical things that you've manifested over time. Those are your dreams. Those are the things that you want to see. But going back to it comes from making other people better off. So going back to the old quote from Zig Ziglar, if you help enough other people get what they desire, you will have every desire you've ever wanted. All right, so that's roughly what he's quoted there. But anyway, abundance comes from making others better off. So how are you helping others? What are you doing to help others? It doesn't mean that you have to be giving away all of your money right there, which we'll talk about, but this is helping others. You may help someone change a tire on their car because they don't know how. Whatever it is, but you want to help other people. That is an enlightened millionaire. And the primary reason to get all of this wealth is to have more to give. The more money you have, the more you can give, you know? For example, when you go through your closets and you have tons and tons of extra stuff, do you just throw it away, give it to Goodwill, or do you actually try to give it to people who need it, right? So the primary reason to get is to have more to give. And you want to make sure you have unlimited amounts to give back to other people. So again, in this step here, it is the second aha, be, do, have, and you want to be a millionaire, and then you want to do what millionaires do, and then you will have the millionaire lifestyle. Thank you so much. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the link below where it says subscribe. Then click on the little bell section there and select all. That way you can see all of my upcoming videos. Also, if you're looking for a way to make money in these times or any time, and you want to do it simply and easily, and you want to have an exact blueprint of what to do, and you want to be able to join us in helping all of the other people out there be better off, simply click the link down in the description below, or you can go to www.winwithryan.com, winwithryan.com. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you next.